Understanding the landscape. Legal considerations in Toronto's industrial market. Toronto's industrial real estate market is booming. Businesses are eager to secure space. However, navigating the legal complexities can be daunting. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Understanding key legal issues is crucial for buyers, sellers, and tenants alike. It can mean the difference between a smooth transaction and a costly legal battle. Contract negotiations are a fundamental aspect of any real estate deal. Purchase and lease agreements must be carefully drafted. They must protect the rights of all parties involved. Environmental regulations are also paramount. Toronto has strict standards to prevent pollution and protect the environment. Zoning and land use regulations are complex. They dictate how a property can be used. Understanding these restrictions is essential. It ensures compliance and avoids costly penalties. Navigating these legal challenges requires expertise. Seek advice from experienced real estate lawyers. Failing to address legal issues up front can have serious consequences. Disputes can arise. Litigation can be time-consuming and expensive. Protect your interests. Seek legal counsel early in the process. It can save you time, money, and headaches down the road. Navigating the contract maze. Purchase and lease agreements. Contracts are the backbone of real estate transactions. They outline the terms of the agreement between parties. A well-drafted contract is essential. It provides clarity. It minimizes the risk of misunderstandings. When negotiating a purchase agreement, clearly define the purchase price. Outline payment terms. Include contingencies. Lease agreements require equal scrutiny. Define the lease term. Specify the rent amount and payment schedule. Outline permitted uses of the property. Address responsibility for maintenance and repairs. Clearly define the rights and obligations. It ensures a smooth landlord-tenant relationship. Carefully review all contracts before signing. Pay attention to the fine print. Understand the implications of each clause. Seek legal advice to clarify any ambiguities. A lawyer experienced in real estate law can provide invaluable guidance. Legal tip: always have your lawyer review any contract before you sign it. The green factor: environmental regulations and your responsibility. Environmental regulations are increasingly important in real estate. Toronto has stringent rules. They address contamination. They promote sustainability. Buyers and tenants must be aware of potential environmental liabilities. Conduct thorough due diligence. Engage environmental consultants. An environmental site assessment, or ESA, is crucial. It identifies potential contamination. It assesses environmental risks. Phase 1 ESAs involve a review of records and site reconnaissance. Phase 2 ESAs involve soil, water, and air testing. Address any contamination promptly. Remediate according to regulatory requirements. Failure to comply with environmental regulations can be costly. Fines and legal penalties can be substantial. Cleanup costs can be significant. Protect yourself and your investment. Prioritize environmental due diligence. Legal tip: never skip environmental due diligence. Zoning and land use. Staying ahead of the regulatory curve. Zoning bylaws dictate how land can be used. They regulate building size, height, and setbacks. Toronto's zoning bylaws are complex. They vary significantly across the city. Ensure the intended use aligns with zoning regulations. Obtain necessary permits before commencing any development or renovations. A variance may be required. This allows for minor deviations from zoning bylaws. The process can be lengthy and requires community consultation. Engage a planner to navigate the zoning process. They provide expert advice. They represent your interests before city officials. Violating zoning bylaws can have serious consequences. Fines, stop work orders, and legal action are possible. Protect your investment. Ensure compliance with all zoning regulations. Consult with a qualified professional. Legal tip: always verify zoning compliance before purchasing or leasing industrial property. If you want to know more of your legal rights as a business and property owner, tenant, landlord, or investor, reach out to Dean and the team for tailor-fit services and assistance.